Every channel is in Spanish. France TV. This area.
Oh, here we are.
They want
My flamenco dress.
There's a baby one. That's weird. And last night, you can kind of see where everyone's like, this Wi-Fi here.
I've been okay. As long as I can connect my...
Oh yeah, you have your translating app. Is
bacon, sausage, and eggs. Okay.
Like, view it as you're viewing it.
So,
Jesus.
No, because it's bacon, eggs, and...
Okay, we gotta figure it out. Oh look, there's orange juice. And here's my water. But yeah, that's a good idea. Is it real lemon?
Well, I knew it, you know.
We were pretty close.
Well, I can't say it.
It's like the... Okay, yummy.
Not Friday.
Different kind of looking bacon. We'll see how my stomach handles this one.
Yeah, you got...
So how does it... Just walk in? That guy's just walking up. Never...
Wow. Ahora hay que pasar.
Thought I lost her there.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah. I don't know. This thing is like outside. It doesn't look as good. Wow. It's like...
Oh.
The squares are quarter notes, and I think it's like church choir music that they could put. Was it 16th century? 15th? I could never drive down these tiny little roads. So ski in the morning, go to the beach in the afternoon.
And I am ready to get rid of all your clothes on the way down.
I know. Oh wow.
They are usually Roman.
Yeah.
So this belongs to him. And then he kept on carving. You just don't have these to stay in his cave. It's an Airbnb now. So and it's all boys now. They belong to those people.
Oh, okay.
One of those are there. Oh, yeah, probably.
There's kids of...
Isn't it?
Yes.
Well, I figured...
All right. Here you have your snack.
Oh, I see the trail now, yeah.
An old hydroelectric power plant.
Wow.
That is run.
Yeah, the one house.
So there. That's not his house. Well, now it is his house. So he came to claim it.
Squatting.
Ready. Oh, it smells so
You make tea with it. Especially
Eucalyptus?
No. Really?
fennel.
Okay, yeah. No.
Do you know what that is? Go there and grab it and smell it. For mountains. Look at this here. Oh. From Tanny you went to Tamara. You said, hey, from now on you're going to call me Tamara. Also originally from the Bay Area and place where she grew up, you know.
It's too expensive.
Tree until now. Now we have an olive tree. Olive producer.
How many are you going to produce?
I don't know. Ask.
Exactly, buds.
Fig trees. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Baby still, they never got to develop properly. But no one picks them over there too.
Yeah.
You see? And no one picks. Maybe. Yeah.
If I stay in the center of the area.
I figured it was good there because there was not too many. I'll put her on the lead now because
I go good.
iPhone.
All right.
And I turn it on. Been away.
So I can hold
No,
it.
you're good. You're good. I'm just gonna keep you from behind. Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Water ball.
Do your go ahead. Go a little bit.
Okay. Whoa, whoa.
You're doing the right way.
Alright, go faster. Don't get it. Oh boy. Okay, yeah.
Do you want me to take
Down here and watch everybody.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly, and me. Of course, because it's raining up there, imagine, then all the mud and her in the water on the roof.
I get her.
Is that really okay here? It is okay. Okay.
Live life on the edge. Alright.
Just to doesn't fall below.
Cool. I'm fine. I'm cool. Yeah, we got
That's good. Come back a little bit.
I didn't even touch my knees.
And then really, you see, you really make sure that you don't. That's okay. I'm following you.
Okay.
This big thing is that.
Yeah, keep your arm strength.
I know. Careful there.
In the long run. You got it? Okay. Yeah.
You don't trust, alright?
Yeah, they're slippery. A lot of bums have shuffled.
Yeah, exactly. So be careful.
Bum shuffle.
It blooms like
Aren't they
that.
beautiful?
That's really pretty, huh?
Phew. Any steps yet?
I don't know. Steps. I mean, 45 floors, but it says I climbed
Numbers.
40,000.
Kira.
I have to say also that when I was skinnier,
Oh, watch out. Think.
The goal is to work on what's going on up here.
Some kind of.
you may have noticed different from on the
Smile.
other side.
Yeah.
Next with your body.
Yes. So I try to.
Continue a little bit.
Oh. I love you.
Say.
There you go. Yeah.
And then we will come visit you.
Yes.
It's a fight.
I don't know if you will. Yeah, and the sun is now.
We made it. What is ceiling is clouds? And there's So here's my taco. One of them fell, but I caught part of it, and the rest fell down to the ground. Luckily, saving it from my pants. Anyway.